Hello everyone, today is a very interesting topic. We are starting with algebraic equations and we are sharing easy hacks and tricks for solving the algebraic equation. So everyone please gather here and learn some new tricks and tips to solve the algebraic equations everyone is afraid of. So what is an equation? A math sentence with an equal sign shows two expressions are equal. For example, x plus 3 is equals to 7. Left side is equals to right side. What does solving means? Find the value of the variable and makes the equation true. Now what is a variable? Very interesting thing. A letter representing an unknown number. Common variables can be x, y or n. So what is the goal of solving? Isolate the variable and variables alone on one side. So don't skip this video. Very interesting facts and tricks going to share till the end. Golden rule here is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side also. So addition property, add the same number to both sides. That keeps the equation balanced. Subtraction property is here, subtract the same number from both sides. Also multiplication property we will first learn, multiply both sides by the same number. Now division property, divide both sides by the same number. Never divide by 0. This is a tip. One-step equations means only one operation. For example, x plus 5 is equals to 9. So solving one step, addition, subtract 5 from both the sides. So we get x equals to 4. Now one step multiplication, how to solve. For example, 4x is equals to 20. So divide both sides by 4. Now one step answer we get here is x is equals to 5. Don't skip, we're going to share very important tips and tricks in this video. Two-step equations. We have two operations. 2x plus 3 equals to 11. So step 1, undo addition or subtraction first. Then subtract 3. Step 2, divide by 2. So we get here x equals to 4. How to solve these? Order of solving. First, add or subtract. Second is multiply or divide. So variable on both sides. For example, 5x plus 2 is equals to 2x plus 11. Move the variables. Now subtract 2x from both sides. So we get this 3x plus 2 is equals to 11. Now finish solving. Subtract 2 or divide by 3. The final answer we get here is x is equals to 3. Now parenthesis. Everyone is afraid of how to solve the parenthesis equations. So now here it is. For example, 2x plus 4 is equals to 14. We will distribute it. 2x plus 8 equals to 14. Now solve. Subtract 8 and divide by 2. Now fractions in equations. For example, x divided by 3 equals to 5. Clear the fractions. So we will multiply both sides by 3 and we will get here x is equals to 15. Another fraction example we see here. X divided by 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Solve the fraction equation. Subtract 2, multiply by 4. Now negative numbers, for example, minus 3x equals to 12. Now what we will do here, very interesting, listen carefully. Divide by a negative, x equals to minus 4. Always checking solutions, substitute your answer back into the original equation. Example, check. X plus 5 equals to 9. So always put back the answer in equation and check is this correct or not. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. This is correct. No solution. For example, x plus 2 equals to x plus 5. This is a false statement. For example, infinite solution. 2x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 3. This is always true. Word problems. So translate words into equations. For example, the word problem example here is a number plus 7 equals 12. So the number here is x plus 7 equals to 12. Now we solve the word problem. X equals to 5. Common mistakes we do in algebraic equations: we forgetting both sides, sign errors, and skipping steps. Tips for success for this chapter: work step by step, keep work neat, and check always your answers. Practice problem first is here: x plus 9 equals to 20. Next practice problem here is 3x minus 6 equals to 12. And the third practice problem here is 2x plus 5 equals to 18. So you all have to practice these questions and you will definitely do not have any doubts after this. So the summary here is: first, isolate the variables, use inverse operations, and always check your answer. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.